Hello everyone, welcome to Twin Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Corona inquest. I want us to talk about that, please. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for the questions. For me, it's a pity that the Corona inquest was being adjourned just because of the case that one foundation, Ada Foundation Institute against the Corona, the assistant of the Corona, because they want to be a partaker of that systems. If you look at the people that the legal team have invited to that Corona inquest, that non's name is being included. So, at the being, we've had the last Corona inquest. Some people will have been dealt with. At least some people will have been questioned. So we know who is the next in line for them to appear. I don't think there's anybody in Nigeria that is above the law. So since the Corona inquest has, we've done the publications, so it's in the public domain, the court has invited them. So why for now? It's because of the postponement. Maybe that is the reason why the nurse did not show up. So, but I believe that as soon as they are done with the stormy block, I think everything will be back, and then we will see then if the nurse is above the law, if it's not. So that is an answer to that.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Samuel. God bless you. I would just like to say that the autopsy and the toxicology results, let it be our last card too in this game. Until the nurse is brought to the coroner inquest to give account of what happened or what led to MOHBAD spy, let us try as much as possible to withhold our autopsy or toxicology result too, because these people are trying to work from answers to questions, and we should not allow them to outsmart us in our game. Thank you, and God bless you, Mr. Muiwa.
Sorry, Vengeance, probably you don't know how strong and how strategic our legal team are. They know the best way to approach it, and they will do it accordingly, which I can vouch for. Mr. Muiwa, I want to ask another question, sir, because we have been here and there on different platforms, and the information, accusation, and every other thing has been coming to some of us. I want to ask you, the AG of Lagos State, Attorney General of Lagos State, spoke some 2-3 days ago. Have you read or heard what he says, sir?
Thank you.
No. Did you read it?
Yes, I've read it.
Okay. What's your assessment and what's your reaction on it, sir?
The assessment and the legal team will do that.
Okay. Basically, I think he has probably read it. And again, just sorry, Mr. Miwa, I need to say something because we were analyzing some hours ago. Ishtok, York, and Lagata, and I made the suggestion that a robust response is needed, and from Barrister Odumosu, Wahab Shitu, and Baba Mohbad, an electronic response, not the publication on newspaper. We want a robust response because these are insinuations, these are innuendos that can happen.
Thank you.
I'm just trying to suggest that we can do that.
Thank you.
Very happy to that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Henceforth, the legal team will answer all necessary questions pertaining to the publications, pertaining to DNA, pertaining to in due course. You will hear from the legal team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Any question again before Mr. Miwa leaves, please?
Sorry, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, Mr. Miwa, we were told that some name was given to Babalawo. Is this true?
He's
Thank you.
not.
Help us confirm.
He's not responding. Sorry, he's not responding to that. He doesn't want.
Why are you saying he's not responding to
He
that?
doesn't want to respond to
Don't
that.
give life
It's a
to
question
somebody
now.
who is dying. Don't revive or don't give life to somebody who is dying.
That guy
It's
is
a
getting mad.
desperate. It's frustrated. So whatever he's saying, please throw it in the trash.
I had to do in the listing. That's why.
Can't focus.
Tó
Your name is
bá ya
focus now.
tó bá ya wèrè
Your name is
tó bá ti
focus.
ya
Let's
wèrè
focus now.
tó bá ti ya wèrè tán á lọ wò láàrò. Tó bá ti ya wèrè tán á lọ wò láàrò. Jẹ́ kó máa gbó.
This one really like I don't they shout do we do this is
Do
like
like this. Westo, do you have something because it came up? Westo, anything?
Yes,
Or
thank
we
you.
leave?
God bless you, everyone. Yeah,
Yeah.
I came late. Sorry about that. Konshejowa, we just have to do other things.
Yeah, Simononi.
God bless you. Now, I don't know if this question has been answered, but I will just put it forward to Mr. Mua. Mr. Mua, you welcome. Thank you so much. It's been a while, and I salute I welcome you once again. Though at any issues at our gbasgbos come, but to the glory of God, it's past, we've moved on over it, and I want to appreciate the fact that you are also coming out to give us information. So, however, Mo fẹ́ béèrè, I want to ask that the position of the court today regarding DNA. We heard that WUNMI voluntarily want to do the DNA, not by court
Westo,
order.
sorry. Westo, he
what?
just joining. I think he has cleared everything before he joined.
Okay.
He has cleared
Okay, yeah,
everything
it's fine.
regarding the cost we need to do.
Okay, then this other one is that the family see any reason, or will the family consider addressing the government regarding their, or how do I call it, inconclusive, let me say confusing, let me use the word confusing report or article that was put on the dailies of newspaper where the family was called out as the one stopping the ongoing inquest. That, there is a part that said the family has gone to stop the inquest due to one or two things and the rest, which I know that is not correct. Is the family considering addressing that part for reference, or are they correct by saying that the family stopped the inquest? Are they correct, or is family planning to address that? So if you can answer that, please, I would like to know.
Yeah,
Maybe
thank you.
that-
The legal team will answer that. I've
Okay.
said that all the necessary questions concerning the publication made by the Attorney General of Lagos State, the legal team will answer that.
All right, thank you. So maybe Olaide can do a summary later so that those of us that just joined will understand what you said. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Westo. Any question for Mr. Mia leaves, please?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Mr. Moyiwa, good evening.
Welcome.
Please, I want to ask you something. Will they allow Baba to do his own private DNA for keponization, please?
What? Come again with your question,
I want
please.
us to. I understand
I
the question.
said,
Please. I want us to. I want
please,
us to.
I said, okay. Mr. Moyiwa, you want to say something?
Yes. The question is that, okay, would they allow Baba to do his own private DNA, whatever? Baba asked for that. So he is the one that asked for a DNA. So let us get the court's injunction. So
Because
let us do the court,
the reason why I'm afraid of all these in court something like
we
this.
asked for the DNA. It is the family that asked for the DNA, so not the government. So get that right.
Okay. All right.
There's
Thank
no
you, sir.
private
But I
one.
just
It is
pray.
the family that asked for it. So family
Okay.
asked for it. So since we are the one that asked for it, so We are the, so there's no private one. So it is not government that asks for it. So we deem it necessary. That is why we ask for it. So since the court has giving us that, so we need the citizen what the judgment say. So before we know the next thing. So thank you.
All right. Thank you,
Quickly
sir. God
ask
bless you, sir.
another thing. Mr. Big Mr. Muyiwa, what I would like to ask is, we have been talking about the findings about Ada Foundation that collected a large sum of money on this justice and refused to let anybody know until when we have to dig it out, and we are trying as much as possible to make sure that he do accountability for everybody, for the public that contributed for him, for her, sorry. And then I want to ask if you heard about it, and if you heard about it, what are you thinking is going to happen after this discovery? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Can I please be excused with these questions for now? The security reason.
You are excused, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, concerning that question, just know that the necessary actions are going to be.
So who muted the Ish? I think Ish is talking. You are muted, though.
Yeah, we could hear. Like we could hear on the comment section.
We could hear everyone. We could hear everyone. Just that everybody decided to be quiet.
Okay, I didn't. Yeah, I had a call. Someone wanted to ask a question, and I was on the call at that time. So yeah, because there's this again. I mean, we just need to clear part of these things. They're saying, oh, that nothing happened in court. That they went out there and go and do some things behind. You know, I'm just trying to clear that part. I don't know if Gracie has a question. Can respond to that, because someone called me and said they heard that nothing happened in court, that they went behind closed door to go and do some kind of thing. So I was trying to. So Gracie, do you have?
Please hold on, Gracie. Please, can everybody just start up so it keeps the network stable, please? Thank you. Continue. Thank you.
Well, anybody can. There is something we call jam talk. Anybody can run mouth anyhow. Anybody can say whatever they like. I even heard when they were saying somewhere that Baba said he will do the whatever. It will not be open. It will be within the family that will know the outcome of the result. They are just running mouth, saying different things, just to be like they are shielding or guiding themselves. But I want to say that ignore all those side talks, ignore all those falsified information. A lot happened in the court. Despite the fact that Wumi's legal representative, Wumi did not show up, neither did IYA MOHBAD was in court. They chose not to come. They were attaching it to as they were giving an excuse that the last time Wumi came, they chased her in the car. I don't know who chased Wumi out of Ikorodu court. If not for her, or for what she has done. So nobody will chase, because we want justice. We don't want jungle justice. We want real justice. Let the law of the land take its course over who is culpable of the crime that is before the court. So there was nothing as they were about to give, because today was assigned to be the day that judgment will be made. And probably they might have preempted, or they might have had from what from the preliminary analysis or from the preliminary proceedings that happened in court, they might have gotten idea of where the matter ended to. So the lawyer just stood up and said, well, before the ruling and before anything, I am pleased to announce that my client has agreed. Well, even anybody because it's within the right of Baba to ask for what he asked for. So let nobody come and be deceiving anybody because it's within the right of Baba to ask for what he. They don't enter me. Oh. Am I on?
You're on. You're on. Sorry for
Okay,
that.
so let nobody come and be deceiving the public or deceiving anybody. They can say whatever that happened. Nothing happened in court. So they met at the garage, Abi, or at the bus stop to say, Baba, this is what we. It's a big lie. It was during the. It was presided over the judge. It was presided over the judge in the family room, family courtroom, not under one tree or at the garage or the bus stop. Let nobody tell us crap. Let's be focused and let's be firm on this matter. That's just what I have to say. Thank you.
But Mr. Guresi, I want to ask a question. Maybe you or Mr. Miwa can answer it. For me to have considered, doing the DNA voluntarily, can you call it a game? And do you think there is a motive? Because, please, before you answer it, I want you to understand the foundation of my question. She is the same person that said she will not do this DNA until some certain reason, part of which a court order was, requested for. Then the same WUNMI got herself a lawyer to defend her before the court, saying she doesn't want the DNA to be done. What has happened? What has changed? And why do you think WUNMI decided to now say, okay, she doesn't want the court ruling, thinking that the ruling will not favor her?
Forget about this
Okay.
voluntarily.
Now,
They
now,
not go
my
for
own.
that lawyer now. Why are you falling
Hold
for that
on.
lawyer's nonsense?
All right, hold on.
Nonsense now.
My own is. I have said it. We must not lose guard. If it's a strategy. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, go ahead, sir. Yes.
So that is why I said we should not lose guard. We shouldn't lose guard in the sense that if it's a strategy, let us prove to them that we are more strategic. If it's a game, let us prove to them that we are professional. Even if it's whatever style or gimmick they want to adopt, that WUNMI is going to adopt, let us stand firm and ensure that we are not leaving any stone unturned, and we are not going to close our eyes for you to just cheat us or to think you are smarter than us. Well, if we say it's a defeated battle, that's why he was able to sheath a sword. Fine, it doesn't matter. We still stand firm and battle ready. If we say he's trying to play us, well, let us know that our joker is still in our pocket, that we can bring out at any fucking time. If we are saying she's trying to do that so that we can relax or we can sleep off, let us tell them that look, our eyes can never be closed, and we are not going to lose guard for any whatever thing they want to do. So it is just a win-win for us if we can be resolute, if we can be vigilant, and we can be steadfast. It's not going to be a thing of what I don't know their mind, neither anybody knows their mind, but we must make sure that every possibilities or every occurrence or any situation that may surround this case is being kept within our own move. So it's not whatever, either in whatever way, we should be rest assured that every area is being taken care of. Thank you.
They
Yeah,
just
let me use this.
okay.
Sorry,
Go on, sir. Go
I
ahead.
want to I actually want to go. I want to go.
Right.
Let me
Okay.
use this opportunity to thank everybody, all the hosts, the whole world that support the family, the legal team, wherever you stood, either for or against. We still thank you because if you didn't criticize us, probably maybe we will not take a right decisions. So irrespective of your decision, irrespective of where you stood on this justice, I thank you all. Once again, where we are today is as a result of all the supporter of Aloba family, all the true fighter that wants justice for Iliri Olowa. I use this opportunity to thank you once again. The legal team, it's not yet good. We will get the justice by the God grace. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you so